Let's we have to move the next question by the factorization process. The factorization process already you attempted 2 questions. What are the steps involved in this type of the questions already you know. What is the first step in the solution? The first step, very first step, we have to write the given quadratic polynomial 6x square plus 5x minus 6. It is a given quadratic polynomial. This quadratic polynomial you must and should be right in the form of ax square plus bx plus c form. It is decreasing order of the exponent of the variable. Okay, like that one we must and should be check it is this form is there or not. If it is not there, you should be express. After that one, what is the next step? If it is there, yes, it is already given in the standard form. Next term, first and the last term, the exponent power 2 term entered and the constant term last one. Okay, means ax square and the c term multiply 6x square minus 6 with the sign we have to multiply here. Means firstly I will multiply sign. Here nothing means plus. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus is minus. Next 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. What is 6 into 6? 36 plus into minus minus x square as it is, because here no variable term, x square is as it is. 6x square minus 6 is minus 36 x square. Next, the middle term. What is the middle term? With the sign. The middle term is plus 5x. The plus 5x. Split the middle term for the such a condition. What the two term we are splitting now, their product. The product means multiplication. The multiplication of the two number should reduce the first and last number multiplication. Means here one of the number m and another number is n. I am choosing. Their multiplication must and should be m into n. M into n is equals to this one product. What is there? Minus 36x square is there? That one. And their algebraic sum, m plus n, their algebraic sum should be middle term. Should be the middle term. Their algebraic product, the first and last number product. And their algebraic sum, the middle numbers. Like that. Means we have to know the product of the two terms is 36 or many are there. 2 into 18. 2 18s are 36. This is the one pair. Another one is 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. Next, I think in the 3. 3 12s are. 3 12s are. Again, 2 18s are 18 12s are. The same only. 9 4s are 4 9s are. 3 12s are 12. That is another one is 6 6s are. 6 6 are. 36 1s. Like that, many possibilities pairs are there. These all gives the product of the m into n. The product of the m into n will gives 36. Will gives 36 only. I want minus 36. I will check afterwards. Minus is how to take. I will say the condition it is. Okay. Okay, you got it. Their product of the these only the numbers. Left to this there is no pack. Okay. In that one possibilities, unique possibilities are there. We have to choose that unique possibility. Which one is the unique pair possibilities? How to check that one? See, the product of the two number is given now. Second condition. So you focus on the second condition. What is the second condition? What the two number you are multiplied, same number take. It is Do the algebraic sum. You know meaning of the algebraic sum? Addition or subtraction. Addition of the integer. That is maybe the positive integer is there. Both are positive integer added. Both are negative integer is there. Then also added. If one negative integer, one positive integer is there. If you want to add, the saying the function is addition, but there will be operate subtraction, because one is a positive term is there, one is a negative term is there. You are going to add, in the positive negative is subtracting. Which is a bigger number with the sign, it will be remains. Okay, on that one basis we have to check this. 2 plus 18 will not give 5. 18 minus 2 will not give 5. This is a fail. This is fail pair. It is not possible to ready. Next, 36 plus 1 into is there, no? Add these two. 37. 36 minus 1, 35. It is also fail. 6 plus 1 or 6 minus 6 is not gives 5 value. What the product number you have chosen, if you add and check it is. Okay. 3 plus 12, 15. 12 minus 3, 9. It is also fail. Next, what is remains? 9 plus 4, 13. No. 9 minus 4, 5. Yes, it is a successful pair. It is only chosen. Means like this is there, students, but you don't take this much time. These all the things you do in your mind. What you should be going to think logically, that one I elaborated on the board. This thing only you have to think in the mind and choose such two numbers. I chosen the two number, one of the 4x, another one is a 9x. But both are the positive integer I considered. What will be happens according to the algebraic term or addition rule, both will become added. But I want subtraction. 5 only I want, but the bigger number. What is the remainder is there? What is the remainder? Plus 5x. After add and subtract will give plus 5x. Gives a plus, the bigger number should be keep the positive. Bigger number sign should be keep the positive. This number is a negative. In the plus 9x minus 4x, subtract will give the plus 5x. Okay. Minus into plus, minus 4 9s are 36, x into x, x square. Got for the two number I chosen. This is like we are logical applied the factorize the given quadratic polynomial. Okay, this type of the logic we should apply. This is called as a factorize. Means middle number and the first and last numbers product is there. Now on that one we are splitting the number, writing the factors. Okay, and getting the factors of the given polynomial. We are getting lastly what? Factors of the given polynomial. That's why its name is called as a factorization. Okay, what is the next step? Keep the first term as it is. Keep the first term as it is and write the middle term, these two number. Okay, minus 4x plus 9x. Instead of writing the 5x, you must and should be write minus 4x plus 5x. This is a different form of writing the 5x. This value is 5x only, but the writing method, writing form is a different, students. Okay, write the last term minus 6 as it is. Are you understanding what I did here? First term as it is, and instead of writing the 5x, what the number I split it and I wrote here. Okay, that one number you choose, and the last term is as it is. Each problem to factorization method, what the given polynomial or quadratic polynomial you are solving, the same step you must and should be use it is. Okay, the next step is what is? Make the two terms group. Okay, then it becomes a two group. One group is this one. 6x square minus 4x is the first group. 9x minus 6 is the second group. This is one group. This is one group. Okay, students. In the first group, in the first two terms, that is the first group. A numerical, what is a common factor? In the numerical term, what is a common factor? Means it is a 2 3s are, it is a 2 2s are, it is a 2 3s are, it is a 2 2s are. Means 2 3s are, 2 3s are, and it is 2 2s are, 2 2s are. What is the common factor here, students? Yes, here the common factor is 2 is it. Both having the common factor 2. Take the 2 common factor, and in the x square, x into x, and in the x, x. Okay, what is the common factor here? X is the common factor. Both sides is x is there. Means x also take the common. Means in the 2 into 3 into x into x, here 2 into 2 into x is there. In that 2 and x are taken the common factor. Here 2 and x are the taken the common factor. In the first term, what is remains? 3 into x. In the first term, what is remains? 3x. Okay. 2 3s are 6, x into x, x square. Minus. Here, in the second term, 2 into x you took the common. What is remains? 2. 2. Okay. If you multiply, you will get this one. Now, similar, what you thought here, same thinking you should be applied to second bracket. 9 to express in this condition, it becomes a 3 into 3 into x. And 6 to write in the factor 2 into 3 into 1. Nothing means that is x is not there now. Common is what? Here 3 is there, here 3 is there. Take the 3 is common. What left in the first term here? 3x. Okay. 3 take common. It remains 3x. 3x. Okay. Minus 2 1s means 2. 2 is a common remaining factor. Remaining factor is the common factor is 3. Observe the students in the factorization process. Very important observation is there. What is that one? What we have to observe in the factorization? We did correct or not? Our procedure, our following steps, that is right or wrong? How to verify? How to check? One clue is there. What is that one? In the factorization, in this step, in the second step, check the what is the bracket will becomes in the both the brackets should be compulsory. If you did the correct, definitely it will become same only. Okay, see here 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. It not came 3x plus 2. It not came minus 3x plus 2. Okay, or 2 minus 3x is not came. Means what is the first bracket? Same bracket is second bracket is also same. Okay, the next step. What is a common thing? This is the first term. It is the second term. Now, okay, in these two terms, what is a common term? Now 3x minus 2 is a common for the both the term. Here also 3x minus 2. Here also 3x minus 2. Then what remains the factor in the first term and the second term with the sign? What is it? 2x plus 3. Now this is the factors. These are what is after the 3x minus 2, 2x plus 3. These are the factors of 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Okay. 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 3 are the factors of what? 6x square plus 5x minus 6. I hope you understood this. We have to discuss about the fourth problem of the same way. That is the same method, factorization method. What is the stuff? First and last multiply, first term and last term. 3x square minus 4. It is a 3 4 is a 12. 12x square with the sign plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, and the middle term is what? The middle term is minus x. The middle term is minus x. Okay. Now find the two terms. Their product should be 12. Okay. And their algebraic sum should be minus 4. as I explained in detail in the previous problem. No, you should be apply the procedure here too. Okay, it is a 3x, it is a 4x. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. In the 4x, 3x subtractor, 1x remains. But the remainder, what the remains after subtracting, that is a negative is there. To remains a negative number means the bigger number sign is negative. The bigger number sign is negative. Okay, then this is what? It is a positive. We should subtract now. Opposite sign is there means only it is possible to subtract. In minus 4x plus 3x subtracted, it is a minus 1x. Means the next step is what? First term as it is 3x square. Okay, and next instead of writing the minus 3x, write these two terms. What is there? Plus 3x minus 4x minus 4. Last term as it is. Now what is the next step? Make the two term common. First two term between and the second two term between. In the first two term, what is the common? 3x. 3x is a common. Okay. What remains? Remaining factor is here x is there plus 3x 1 is 3x. In the next two term, what is a common? Minus 4 is a common. Okay. If you have taken the minus 4, then it is x plus 1. Why? Minus into plus is minus. Now what is the common say? Here again same method will become now. I said in the previous problem. If it is same, then only our procedure, our method is correct. Then what is the common now here? X plus 1 is a common. What remains here? 3x and here minus 4. Means x plus 1 and 3x minus 4 are the factors of 3x square minus x minus 4. Okay, I hope you understood. Hello students, this is a question for the factorize, but this question goes to the cubical polynomial. Hello students, we have to discuss about the factorize of the cubical polynomial. Already we have discussed the factorize for the quadratic polynomial. We have to discuss about the factorization of the cubical polynomial. It is a special one, it is. Okay students, a factorization for the cubical polynomial is a special one, it is. For this one, what is the step is there? First one, it is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to d. Is it form is there or not? We have to check this. What is the form? Ax square plus bx plus cx plus d. Is there form or not? Afterwards, what is a d? Is a constant number. Write all the possible factors. All the possible factors of 2. The possible factors of 2 is plus or minus 1. Plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2. Like that, possible factors are there. Plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2. Means this is the problem solved by with the help of the trial and error method. Means one of the factor you have to consider it is a factor or not, you have to check this. For we shall consider plus or minus 1, 2 is a factor. That factor is suitable for this one polynomial or not. That one we have to check this. First case I will consider minus 1. I will call this one to p of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Enter the polynomial as it is. I wrote it is p of x is equals to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, in that what I am checking here, minus 1 I am considering. P of minus 1, which gives a 0, this specific value of x which gives a 0, then we have to consider that is a solution. That solution x is equals to that is a value, that is a factor it is. Okay, p of minus 1 gives a 0, then 1 is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, p of minus 1 is equals to where the x, put the minus 1, x cube minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 square minus of minus 1 plus 2. Okay, x cube minus 1 cube minus 2 as it is, x square minus 1 square minus as it is, x value is minus 1 plus 2. Okay, is equals to minus 1 cube is minus 1. We know this one. Okay, minus 2 the power of odd is there, then that value gives minus only. Okay, next minus 2 as it is, minus 1 to the power of 2. Minus 1 to the power of 2 is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, minus 1 square is 1. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 2. Okay, now minus 1 as it is, minus 2 ones are minus 2, plus 1 as it is, plus 2 as it is. Simplify the students, minus 1 plus 1 subtract, cancel, it is 0. Minus 2 plus 2 subtract, it is 0. Then enter the value will become 0, means p of minus 1, p of minus 1 is equals to 0. P of minus 1 is equals to 0. It implies that what is x is equals to minus 1. X is equals to minus 1 is the solution. It is a solution is implies that this minus 1 to take this side, x plus 1, it become minus 1 to plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Is a factor of what? P of x. P of x means this is a given polynomial. What is a polynomial? X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Its factor, which one is the x plus 1 is the factor of this one. Why you are decided this is the factor? When we are divided this one to this one, okay, the g of x, this is the polynomial, no? This is a taken and divided the given polynomial, their remainder is 0. According to the factor theorem, on the basis of the factor theorem, we come to the conclusion when the remainder is 0 for the specific value of the x, then we have to come to the conclusion that is a factor of the given polynomial. That is x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial. It is a factor means remaining factor we have to find. Okay, how to find here? Write down this polynomial, given polynomial x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Divide this one to what is the factor means you decided. Which one is the factor means you decided? X plus 1 is the factor means you decided. Divided by that one. Okay, x plus 1 to divide this one. Okay, now start how to do the division. You know students, what is the first one term? X cube. X to divide x cube, we have to multiply here something. What something we should multiply? How to know that one? Okay students, I will say it is, suppose this x2 I want to multiply something, that is k. I don't know what is that one. Okay, x2 multiply k, we will get definitely first term. What is that one? X cube. We get x cube. Okay, you get x cube. What we should multiply? K. What is that one? K. Then x2 send this side. This x cube to write it like this, x into x cube only divided by x get cancelled. What means x into x square. Yes, we should multiply. What is that one? X square to multiply. X into x square, x cube. Okay, it is a binomial term. Both the term we should multiply to that one quotient. 1 into x square. What is the sign? Plus. Plus into plus. 1 into x square is x square. Okay, understood? I have taken here x square because x into x square become x cube. The aim of the division is what? Try to make the first term is 0 or smaller one. Okay. Now the next step, what is the sign changes? Plus become minus, plus become minus. What is the below term is there? No, that term's sign opposite you should be take. Now plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Now both having the same signs here. Minus 2x square minus 1x square. Both are the same integer, add. write their sign. What is the sign? Is that sign? Minus 2x square minus 1x square, it become minus 3x square. Okay. The next step, minus x as it is, plus 2 as it is. Okay. Now what is the first term? Minus 3x square. Here what is the first term? X. Okay. Make this term to 0. What I should multiply to this one, x? For which term to we multiply x, it become minus 3x square. Do like this only the procedure, students. How I did here. Once again you do like that only. What? X into k is equals to what is the first term? Minus 3x square. It implies that what? This x2 and this side, minus 3 into x divided by x. Only k is equals to, it remains. X get cancelled. What remains? Minus 3x. Okay, students. Means we should multiply x to minus 3x. Minus 3x. Plus into minus become 1 3 is 3. X into x square. Okay. Are you seeing? Just enter the same term. What is the term is there? Same term is obtained. This one step you have to know. This one do in mind. Always do in the rough side. Not it is gives idea logic. This one in the mind only. Okay, students. Next, plus into minus. 1 into 3x is 3x. Change the sign. Minus become plus. It is get cancelled. Okay. Now plus 3x minus 1x. Now the integers are the different sign. Two integers are there, different sign. If the two integers different sign, what we have to do? We have to do subtraction. We have to do what? Subtraction. In bigger number, smaller number, you should be subtract. In a 3, 1 subtract. In a 3x, 1x subtract. But what the sign I should be use after subtraction? Minus we should keep or plus we should keep. It depends upon the number. Which is a greater value is there. Negative is greater is there, keep the negative sign. If the positive integer is a greater is there, keep the positive sign. Here 3 is a greater number it is. Okay. Its sign is a plus. Don't consider this sign. Okay, plus. It is a 1 is a negative is there. It is smaller one. Means after subtraction we should keep the positive only. 3 is a bigger no. That's why we have to keep the plus only. In a 3, 1 subtracted, it remains 2x plus 2. Now what is the first term? 2x. X into what is 2x? X into 2. x2 is a 2x plus multiplied by 2. x2 is a 2x. x2 is a 2x. Plus into plus. 1 2 is a 2. 1 2 is a 2. Change the sign. Minus. Plus 2x minus 2x. Get cancelled. What is the remainder? The remainder is 0. Okay. Always, if it is a factor, remainder always gives the 0. Then you should be decide, what the factor means you considered, it is right or wrong. If it is remainder is not kept 0, either you did in the simplification wrong or you have considered the factor means you considered now that polynomial is not a perfect factor. Okay. If it is not the factor, then remainder will be not come the 0. Okay. What is the quotient will be obtained this one. Okay. Students, next step. What is the next step? The p of x. What is the p of x is there? No. Then p of x. P of x is equals to. P of x is equals to. This x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 can be written as product of this one, this factor into this factor will give this one. X plus 1 into what? X square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, the product of these two will give x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, that is p of x is equals to x plus 1. say x plus 1 as it is and factorize this quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2. The first and last multiplication is 2x square. Okay. And the middle term is minus 3x. Split the minus 3x by the condition of the product of the two numbers will give that much. That is minus 2x minus 1x plus 2 as it is. Okay. Next up, in the first two term, what is a common? X is a common. X minus 2 remains. In the next two term, minus 1 is a common. What remains? X minus 2. Minus 1 take common here. X minus 2. Minus into minus become plus it is. Okay. Now, x plus 1. In that one, what is a common here? Both the term. X minus 2 common, take that one. What remains here? X remains. Here minus 1. Now, x plus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 1 are the factors of what? These are the factors of the given polynomial. What is the polynomial? X cube minus 2x square minus x minus 2. Means the given polynomial is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, this is a cubical polynomial. Now, for this cubical polynomial, factors are, these are the factors. Okay, cubical polynomial having 3 factors. How many factors? Maximum 3 factors are there. These are the 3 factors of this cubical polynomial. I hope you understood. Hello students, let's we have to discuss about the same concept as we studied in the 5th bit first problem. Are you know students how to solve this one? What are the steps are there? What is the procedure? What is the first one? What is the last term is there? It's the factors we have to write down. 1 minus 1, 5 minus 5. What are the factors? 1 minus 1, 5 minus 5. In that 1 by 1 minus 5. Okay. In that 1 by 1 substitute the factors. Which one gives a 0 reminder? That one is a factor. Okay. You have to check it. It's a possibilities are there. In that which one is the correct one, we have to check it is. Okay. In the solution step, it is a solution. In the solution step, we have to call it as P of x. Okay. P of x. P of x is equal to given polynomial as it is. It is a cubic one. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay. In the previous problem, what the factor we have to check the first one? Which one? Minus 1. Let's we have to check it is a minus 1 only. It is a true or not. It is a factor or not. P of minus 1 is equals to, where the x is there you have to put the minus 1. Minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5 as it is. Okay, is equals to minus 1 to the power of 3. 1 cube is 1 only. Minus 2 to the power of 3. Odd number exponent. Then the negative integer is negative only. 1 cube is 1. The even time of the exponent, order is even time. Then the negative integer become positive. Minus into minus plus. 1 square is 1. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Minus into minus plus. Plus 9. Minus 5 as it is. Minus 1 minus 3. And minus 5 minus 9 plus 9 is equals to 0. Okay students, P of minus 1 is equals to P of minus 1 is equals to 0. It implies that, okay, x is equals to minus 1 means that g of x is equals to minus 1 to send this side. X plus 1 is a factor of, what is it? Factor of P of x. Factor of P of x. If it is a factor of P of x, take this one polynomial and divide the given polynomial. take this one and divide. You will get the remaining factor. Okay, as we have to study in the previous class, like that one. Next, what is the given polynomial? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 to divided by the factor x plus 1. See, what we have to multiply? Last problem I explained how to find the quotient. X into what is x cube? X into x squared, x cube. 1 into x square plus 1x square. Change the sign, minus, cancel it is minus 3x minus 1x minus 4x minus 9x minus 5 as it is. Now what we should multiply to the x to become minus 4x? We should multiply minus 4x. Minus 4x into x, minus 4x square. Okay. 1 into minus 4x, minus 4x. Change the sign, cancel it. In minus 9x plus 4x subtractor, minus 5x. And last step is minus 5, keep as it is. Next, x to what we have to multiply? Minus 5 you have to multiply. X into minus 5, minus 5x. Plus 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Change the sign, plus, minus. Plus. Cancel. What is this? 0. Okay. Therefore, P of x is equals to this one into this x square minus 4x minus 5. Now we should express this one again factor. X plus 1 into first term and the last term, x square into minus 5 minus 5x square multiplied minus 5, algebraic sum minus 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. That is x square minus 5x plus 1x minus 4x expressed in this form minus 5 as it is. X plus 1 into, what is the common in the first term? X is common, x minus 5 remains. Okay, nothing common means 1 is a common factor for every number. Okay, 1 take common, what left? X minus 5. Okay, next x plus 1 into, what is the common now? X minus 5. Okay, what is left here? X plus 1. Okay students, now x plus 1 into x minus 5 into x plus 1 are the factors of what? Given polynomial is there now? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Okay, I hope you understood.